Morning children. Myself Aparna Shrivastava. This is the assessment of listening for class 8th. This test has two tasks. Listen to both the tasks carefully and complete the worksheet based on these. Task 1. Children, I am going to read a passage on topic Nagaland and its people. Please listen it carefully. Nagaland, one of India's smallest states, is located in the northeast. It is bounded by Myanmar on the east, Arunachal Pradesh on the north, Assam on the west, and Manipur on the south. Nagaland is mostly mountainous except the part bordering the Assam Valley. Mount Saramati is the highest peak and forms a natural barrier between Nagaland and Myanmar. The Nagas, inhabitants of Nagaland, form more than 20 tribes. Konyak is the largest of the Naga tribes. Traditionally, the Nagas wear colorful tribal outfits with bamboo shields and decorated spears. They are simple at heart, are known for their festive spirit, and burst into dance and music on such occasions as festivals, marriages, and harvests. The Nagas are brave, loving, and kind-hearted. Their dances are mostly woven around war themes. Bamboo dance is a well-known dance of Nagas. Colorfully dressed young girls performing the bamboo dance at an incredible speed and with great accuracy present a fascinating sight. Wood carving is a famous Naga craft. The Konyaks, the best wood carvers among all the Naga tribes, are skilled in carving human and animal figures. Weaving is a traditional Naga art in which each tribe has its own special designs and colors. Now children, task 2. I am going to read one passage on Venice. Listen it carefully. Venice is an unusual European city because it is built entirely on a cluster of mud islands. Any movement from one part of the city to another is possible by means of only motorboats or rowing boats called gondolas. St. Mark's Square, a large open space paved with marble, is the hub of social activities in Venice. There are shops and restaurants along the sides of the square, which are the favorite meeting places for tourists and residents of the city. Friendly pigeons keep flying around and people enjoy throwing bits of food to them and watching them eat. Often, there is a band playing merry tunes to regale the visitors. On one side of the square stands St. Mark's Cathedral, one of the most beautiful and colorful buildings of Italy. It was built in the 11th century. It is made up of colored pieces of marble and has 500 pillars. At the main entrance of the cathedral stand 4 exquisite bronze horses brought to Venice in the 13th century. Tourism is the chief economic activity of Venice. The spectacle of beautiful buildings reflected in canal waters attracts tourists from all over the world. Venice is also famous for its exquisite glassware. Venetian glass workers are so skilled that they can make glass of any color or size and blow it into wonderful shapes. Thank you, children, for listening the audio.